Hello and welcome to NumberOneAudio Consultants. This is the first in a series of short videos where we aim to help you get the best out of your digital music collection. We're going to be looking at different hardware and software and different file formats in order to optimize your digital music collection and to get it through your hi-fi. Let's take a step through to our audition suite where we will look at the first of our systems.
So here we are in our audition suite, and we're going to have a look at all the equipment required for a SneakyDS system. First of all, we have the Linn Magic 109 loudspeakers, we have a Linn SneakyDS, and we have a Netgear router. In this example, we'll be using a laptop for the music server and control software, so we have a laptop as well. Let's have a look at how it all plugs together.
First of all, we'll look at the back of the SneakyDS player here. On the right hand side we have a power amplifier stage where we can connect the SneakyDS straight to a pair of loudspeakers. Coming across to the left hand side now, you'll see the analog audio output stage. That's for connection to a hi-fi preamp. Further across to the left we have the digital output. We can connect the SneakyDS to an external DAC or a preamp with the digital input. Further across to the left still we have the communications ports here, which we won't be focusing on for this demonstration. And finally, on the far left hand side we have an Ethernet port. It's an RJ45 socket, and we will use an Ethernet cable, sometimes called a Cat5 or Cat6 cable, to connect the SneakyDS player to the router. I'm going to make that connection now. I have selected one of the 4 local area network ports on the back of this cable DSL router. One of the other ports on the back is slightly different to the other 4 in that it connects to the internet. We'll be using that port later. The SneakyDS primary job is to convert digital music into analog audio for use in the hi-fi. What we need to do now is connect a music library into the network. In the purposes of this demonstration, the audio files are stored on a laptop. I will connect the laptop to the router now. Again, the connection has been made using a standard Ethernet cable.
So now we have made all the physical connections of this system, we can now take a look at the software we need and take a look at the system in action. The first bit of software we need is a media server, and we choose to use Asset UPnP Media Server, which is available from the Illustrate website along with instructions of how to share the music. Once you have done this, we move into the Linn software. We're using here Kinski Desktop to control and browse for the music. To play the music, it's a simple step of finding the appropriate album, clicking it and dragging it into the playlist window. Once the songs are in the playlist, we can double click them to play. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and if you'd like to know some more information, please visit our website or give us a call using the details on screen now.